I'm Jeref Dison, 20 years of age. I'm third year student taking Bachelor of Science Industrial Technology, major in drafting at Laguna State Polytechnic University main campus. I'm the youngest only boy among 3 siblings. I already finished 2 years course, Associate Technology, major in drafting. I work with my uncle since he have a family business which is mag printing. We operate this business for about 3 months, and then I work to Jalvi Corporation, Food Corporation. It is contract for about 6 months, and then after that I decided to continue my studies, and now I'm taking BSIT, major in drafting. I also have knowledge regarding AutoCAD, SketchUp, planning, architecture, and drawing. With regards to my hobbies, I love workout. I play computer games with my friend, and I have fun reading and watching anime. Thank you.